Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a little summer try-on haul featuring Cupshe. It has been a minute since I've done a Cupshe video, and I'm partnering with them today to share with you some new items that I picked up for the summertime, specifically bathing suits and like resort wear kind of items, and I'm excited to share them with you. So big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video. They also did give me a coupon code, which is Kelly15, which will save you 15% on your order of $65 or more. You guys know I have so many Cupshe videos. I've done so many different reviews. They really do bathing suits super well, and they've come out with some cute 4th of July outfits as well. And if you are a Macy Blackwell, if you don't know her Instagram, she's the queen of like DIYs and like themed stuff. She's so freaking cute. I love her. She has come out with a collection with them as well, so they've got so much cute stuff from her as well. So let's dive in. I'm going to share with you what I picked out and try them all out for you. Alright, so the first one I have to share with you guys is this little Paisley kind of bandana print. I love navy blue all the time, but this is so pretty. I love Cupshe's one pieces. I think that they just make me feel really comfortable, confident, and secure, and their material is really nice. And most of the time, if it's not adjustable, like with the straps, they're completely customizable, so I love that. This bathing suit is fun. I had tried it on a couple different ways. There's so many different ways that you can style this one specifically, but I love this little like upper stomach kind of detail of the peekaboo cutouts. So cute, and this is the perfect swimsuit to wear like or bring on vacation with you, because you can change the way you tie it to kind of alleviate some of those weird tan lines you might get. And it makes you look like you're getting a ton of different pieces in one. This is also just a really cute top that you can wear with linen pants or something like that. Like to breakfast on a resort or something like that. But I think this one is so freaking cute. The next one piece that I got, I like one pieces, okay? I just feel the most comfortable and confident in one pieces. But this one specifically, I love this like olivey green, and this texture on it is so pretty. Again, all of them come with removable cup pads if you'd like, but if not, they're actually good cup pads. They're not those cup pads that you just like immediately just throw away. They're actually pretty good. I love this that it has this sort of ruching underneath the breast. I don't know, these sort of like they almost remind me of like a bra. I like the way these fit on my body the best. And then I love this little tie detail, or this twist detail on the back. I think is so cute. But olive green is my favorite, especially with the tan. It's just can't be beat. And again, neutrals, bathing suits like this go paired well with like so many different cover-ups. So white, black, anything like that, tan. I love this. The last one piece that I got was so fun because it's kind of like this asymmetrical, and again, you can also put this a billion different ways. I got this in a medium. I would say I could have sized down to a small. There is this really nice ruching in the tummy area on the side that kind of just compresses everything, keeps it all together, and it has this like mesh paneling inside that, again, tummy support and control. And I mean, I love a black one piece. I think it's stunning. It's very flattering and it's very sexy. Even though you're not showing a ton, I think it can be extremely, extremely flattering. So I love that little one piece. And then if you're a festive 4th of July kind of gal, this little bikini is so cute. I, again, love this kind of bra style top. I think it's perfect. And I feel like you can mix and match these with black bottoms, white bottoms, blue bottoms, whatever you want to kind of make it more festive as well. But I love that this has that clasp in the back, and you can control it 3 different ways, so you get a good customized fit around the band in your midsection. So cute. I feel like red is very flattering on blondes, brunettes, dark-haired, light features, anything like that. Red, you just can't go wrong with a good red swimsuit. And these are the bottoms. I will say these bottoms fit a little more low-rise than I would have liked, so I hiked them up, but I felt like I could have done a bigger size to hike them up even more. Or if you're a low-rise girl, you'll probably really enjoy them. I'm sure that low-rise are gonna come back with a vengeance, but I'm more of like a hiked up kind of girl. I just feel like it flatters my shape a little bit more. And then if you're really one of those patriotic girls, this I think is from Macy's collection, is the 4th of July little top. I think this top it reminds me so much of her, and it's very much like, I don't know, just her style is so cute. It has this little cutout right in the middle, and it's very flattering, you know what I mean, for the chest, but you feel covered. And I love this. You can kind of tie this however you'd like as well. It's just a little gold ring up top, and you can tie this around your neck in whichever way you'd like. But I think this is super cute. And then it comes with some reversible little SWIMSUITS bottoms. So this is more of like a high waisted sort of fit. This has the stars on the outside to match the bathing suit top, or you can reverse it and go with the red. And you could also pair the red like this as well, which I think would be really cute as well. This is more of a full coverage bottom, and it is high rise. I like that it's reversible. I think that's really flattering. And I'm not necessarily somebody who's like a full stars and stripes kind of girl, so to be able to mix and match I think is really fun and shows you the versatility of the piece, so it's not just for 4th of July. To go into some cover-ups, I did pick up a couple of things to just throw over the top of bikinis, specifically those one pieces. I love having cover-ups to go over my bathing suits, whether you, I don't know, typically I just throw in like a button-up, honestly, like a linen button-up or something like that, or I do a sarong. But I also like having shorts like this. This is just really easy because you can wear this over your swimsuit, and if you're going somewhere, just bring your undergarments with you and then change into this and you're good to go, and you have like a normal look. Like this with this shirt, hello, cute. So you can wear this as swimsuit cover-ups or just regular clothes. I like the little pockets in the front. It's just got a nice elastic band. I did size up in these because I like when these sort of shorts don't really like hug me too tight, so I see these like wrinkly lines like on my stomach, you know what I mean? So if it sits a little bit looser, it doesn't make that imprint, and I really think these are super cute. I love a good olive green, and these are kind of like a linen-y, crinkly material. And when I saw these have the cutest little side little flare at the bottom. I love these. These are a nice tan. This would look great with that green bathing suit black. It's got that thick band up at the top, and then it flows down into kind of like slightly cropped pants, depending on how high you keep them. But I love this ruffle and asymmetric sort of like line at the bottom. I just think it's fun and cool. And again, this with like this top or like a white tee or something like that, it's just a really cute, easy like summer throw and go outfit. And then last but not least, I picked up a little dress. This again would be so cute for like maybe if you're going to a fancier 4th of July barbecue or going on vacation. This is so cute. Blue and white just screams vacation to me. There's nothing better. So I love the neckline on this. I prefer to have like a high neck line kind of thing and have like the shoulders out. You can always put a little bit of like a shimmer on it. I don't know. I'm a fan. But I like that this is just a nice long flowy dress. So pretty. This can be worn so many different ways with a cute pair of sneakers, like white sneakers. You can dress it up with heels or just throw on some sandals with it. But I think this is cute and would be a great addition. I wish I had this before we went to Mexico. This would have been so pretty for our art walk. But anyways, yeah guys, that is my little Cupshe summer try on haul. It's been a minute since I've done one of these, but I think Cupshe is a really good go-to place for affordable, really cute bikinis. And you can find things that fit whatever coverage you like, high-waisted, low-rise, one-piece, bikini, like bright and colorful or very muted neutrals. You can get any type of clothing. They have specialty dresses, but they also have just your basic swim cover-up. So big shout out again to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video. And if you want to check out anything, I will have the details, the sizes, and the exact links to the things that I showed in the video, as well as my coupon code, which is KF15, which will save you 15% off your order of $65 or more. So if you're on the hunt for some cute resort wear for an up-and-coming vacation, or you're just looking to add some new swimwear to your collection, check out Cupshe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye!